Hi everyone, welcome back to Logic Store. In today's session, we are going to talk about something very important in Snowflake, micro-partitions. In Snowflake, data is not stored as big flat files. Instead, it's broken down into tiny storage blocks called micro-partitions. Each micro-partition holds about 16 to 64 MB of compressed data and stores it column-wise. That means faster reads, better compression, and smarter query performance. The best part, Snowflake handles all this automatically. You don't need to define partitions or indexes since it's columnar. Queries only read relevant columns. If you want extra performance for repetitive queries, you can add clustering. Snowflake will store related data closer together, improving pruning. Let's say your table has 100 micro-partitions, but your query filters only a specific price range. Snowflake will prune all irrelevant partitions. Scanning may be just a 5 out of 100. This pruning mechanism drastically reduces I/O and makes queries super fast, even for very large tables. Let's create a simple table name is sales. The moment we load data, Snowflake will automatically create micro-partitions. We don't need to specify anything. Now we are inserting a few rows behind the scenes. Snowflake organizes data into micro-partitions and compresses it efficiently. When I run this query, Snowflake will only scan micro-partitions where the price is above 20. That's pruning in action. Fewer partitions scan means faster query execution. We can optionally add clustering on brand. This ensures that similar brands are grouped within micro-partitions, helping Snowflake prune even better for repeated queries. Finally, the system function shows how our table is organized internally, the clustering depth, partition count, and how efficiently Snowflake has arranged the data. To summarize, micro-partitions make Snowflake extremely efficient. You get automatic partitioning, columnar performance, and smarter pruning, all handled by Snowflake itself. That's the power of Snowflake storage engine. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Logic Store for more Snowflake and data engineering content.